Hi there, this is Chinkitan, also known as Mr. Chink Positive. Topic I'd like to share with you in my YouTube channel today is paano maiwasan ang family conflict. Whether you like it or not, if you live in a family conflicts are not, ika nga hindi maiwasan, di ba? It's part of life. Ano maaari nating gawin naman kung paano natin ma-avoid no, yung mga family conflicts. There are moments in our lives na, again, na talagang may mga tao talaga na medyo iba yung personalidad. We are all created unique at hindi tayo pare-pareho. Sometimes yun nga, we share informations, we share probably our opinions, and there will come a time na hindi talaga nagtutugma yung ika nga yung frame of mind po natin. And then, ano ba yung mga family conflicts that may arise? Number one, definitely would be money, religious beliefs, but like political view. This coming 2016, may election po tayo. At like for example, also yung mga personal discussions or probably personal decisions. Minsan nga pa nga, alam mo yung mga conflicts na talagang medyo mababaw pero talagang nagiging source ng conflict yung pagdedesisyon kung saan tayo Christmas. Saan kayo Christmas? Sa kanila ba o sa atin? Pati mga yun, di ba? Nagiging issue pa. We cannot avoid this type of differences, but we can manage. We can learn how to manage, how to really, decrease the conflicts. So, allow me to share with you some practical tips para ma-manage po natin yung internal family conflicts. Number one, tip is agree to disagree. There will come a point in when both parties need to settle down and then bring down our emotions, our personal emotions. We may disagree, but at the end of the day, kailangan paglabas dapat ng pamilya, dapat mag-agree. Lalo na kung nagkakaroon na nagkakainitan na yung both sides, no? Cool ka lang. Accept that everyone is entitled to their opinion. Bawat isa po sa atin may sariling pananaw, paniniwala, at hindi natin pwedeng pilitin yung paniniwala natin sa ibang tao. Sa ganitong pamamaraan na, yun nga, maiwasan natin ang ating family conflict. You don't have to accept each other's opinion. All you need to do is just respect. Don't accept, but you just got to respect na may different point of view. Maaari hindi madali sa umpisa, pero magkakaroon din ng resolution kung tayo ay nire-respeto natin yung bawat isa. Number 2 tip, no? Aside from agree to disagree, know the negotiable from the non-negotiable. May mga ibang bagay na pwede nating pag-usapan at pagbigyan at may mga bagay na hindi naman talagang pwedeng pag-usapan at pagbigyan. Yung pandaraya, let's say, panlalamang ng kapwa, naku, hindi na dapat pag-usapan yan. Diba? Pero yung ika nga pinagtatalunan, kung saan tayo kakain, saan tayo mamamasyal, so, nako, wow, anong color ng party, anong team, anong motive, kung yan pag-aawayan nyo pa, ika nga, let it go na, let it go. Pangatlo also, know your priorities. Kapag umiinit ng ulo mo at feeling mo na malapit ka na sumabog, dahil nga sa isa mong kapamilya na unreasonable, na parating masyadong, tawag dito, control freak, na siya parating panalo, siya parating nauna, let it go. Stop and think kung ano ba talagang priorities mo. Uunahin mo ba ang pride and ego mo dahil nasaktan na siya para mapatunayan mo na henyo ka, magaling ka, at babaliwaliin mo na lang kung ano sabihin ng mga ibang tao? Or, di ba, mas nanaisin mo na lang ba na ika nga ay magkaroon ng kapayapaan sa loob ng inyong pamilya? Di ba? Sige na, let it go. Mas mature ka naman eh. Huwag mo natin patulan yung mga taong ika nga immature. Tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, everyone is entitled to their own opinion. Oo, once in a while, di ba? Healthy naman na magkaroon ng palitan ng kuro-kuro or opinion, pero pag magkakaroon na ng conflict, internal conflict, nagkakasakitan na, chill ka na. Di ba? Level up ka na. Kasi, iba tayo di ba? We want to be positive. We want to be a positive influence. So, know your priorities. Ano ba yung priority mo? Na maging tama ka? Or, ang priority mo magkaroon ng peace sa loob ng pamilya. I hope that this short video is able to enlighten you, ladies and gentlemen. And I hope that you would continue to subscribe and watch this video faithfully and continually. Anyway, this is for free. And I would like to recommend you to also follow me at my Viber public chat. Go to public chat of Viber, type Chinkitan, and then follow. You're gonna get a lot of great stuff there. This is Chinkitan saying, to every problem, there's always a solution. If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem always. Chink positive.